Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're stepping up our night shooting game with a little bit of help from the brilliant Oppo Find X5 Pro. We're going to take a look at the 4K Ultra Night video powered by Mari Silicone X, the Hasselblad camera for mobile, and its 5-axis stabilisation. So we're going to head to the lab now where we're going to put this night mode to the test. So let's head into the lab. This is the Oppo Find X5 Pro, and we're going to put the 4K Ultra Night video to the test. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the lights out in the studio. I'm going to film some footage here, and we're going to put it in the video that you're watching so you can see for yourself. Already you can see it's bright and it's clear. Now the Oppo Find X5 Pro has a dedicated self-developed Mari Silicone X image processor. So that's what gives you that really high level camera performance. And this is reflected here in these low light conditions. You can see that it gives you really realistic, clear image processing. And it doesn't overexpose the entire scene as well, which you may find on other mobile phone cameras it may have done. It's just really sharp and detailed, and you get all of that, and you know that you're filming in 4K. So it's a real win-win. Next up, let's talk about the Hasselblad camera for mobile. Now, the high-level performance of this camera all comes down to the experience of Hasselblad, who, if you're not sure, are a traditional photography camera company. Now, the Find X5 Pro takes learnings from their cameras to build across the whole range to get a really professional experience, and it really works as well, because you'll find that all of the controls are really authentic. Plus, Hasselblad's legendary X-Pan mode also makes your imagery really stunning and gives it a really professional quality. There's also 3 specialist filters to choose from: Radiance, Serenity, and Emerald, and this really makes shooting on this phone even more fun. And finally, the shooting performance on all of the Oppo Find X5 range is fantastic. With the Pro, you get the added 5-axis stabilisation. Now, this is the industry's first ever 5-axis optical image stabilisation in a smartphone. It makes for super steady video recordings. Now, it works by combining both lens stabilisation with sensor shift to just give you the perfect shot on the go. If you'd like to find out more about the Oppo Find X5 Pro, you can visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.